welcome to the kitchen at Resorts World. Good morning. My friend Raven Jade and I are off to get some breakfast here at the kitchen. And here's a nice menu, all the breakfast items. And they even serve lunch. We didn't get to try it for lunch, but ooh my, the breakfast was good. Why don't y'all come on in with us and let's take a peek and see what we get. We got scrambled eggs and bacon and some home fries. I have some grapefruit juice and some multi-grain bread. Very friendly staff. We had to go back a second time and they had the curtain around here in the middle. We think it's for a buffet or something like that. But it was amazing and they remembered us. Got the same thing again because it was just that good. And they're getting ready to put a juniors in right next to it. But it got crowded on Friday. Friday morning, all the people came in to come gamble for the weekend. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Make sure you guys get over to the kitchen here at Resorts World. It is amazing. Awesome staff, waiters, the hostess. Oh my. Aren't you just hungry for having some more? Delicioso.